Sacred Heart High School welcomes you all. Today, let us study Environmental Studies Part 1 for Standard 4th. And our lesson is lesson number 15, My District, My Street. So children, look at this picture. What can you see? This is a picture of a fully grown tree. Now let me ask you a few questions. What are the different parts of the tree can you see? We can see leaves, then fruits, flowers, branches, trunk, etc. Then, which of these parts are seen on a tree most of the time? The parts such as leaves, branches, trunk, etc. are seen on the tree for most of the time. Now, you all must be confused. The lesson is on my district and my state, and teacher is telling us about the tree, but it has a connection, the tree and our state. I will explain you in more details how. Now, the trunk of the tree has 2 to 3 big branches. Now, to be complete a tree, it must have several components such as leaves, small branches, big branches, a trunk, etc. In the same way, our state too is made up of many settlements, villages, town, talukas, and district. Now let us go in more details and study how from hamlets and settlements we form a state. Now hamlets means a very small area, smaller than a village. Now man began to farm the land. He settled near his farms and began to live there. In this way, hamlets and settlements were formed. Many hamlets and settlements form a village, and many village forms a city. Many cities form a taluka, and many taluka form a district, and many district form a state. Now let us study importance information of our state. Now children, do you know Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra state? Nagpur is the second capital. According to its physical features, Maharashtra is divided into the following 3 regions. That is the coastal region, the mountainous region, and the plateau region. The Arabian Sea is the west of Maharashtra. The Sahyadri mountain is in the western part of Maharashtra. It is also called the Western Ghat. Kalsubai in this mountain is the highest peak in Maharashtra. The Satpura mountain is in the northern part of Maharashtra. Astamba is the highest peak in the Satpura mountain. Then Satmala, Ajanta, Balghat, Gauligad, Navigaon, etc. These are the ranges spread in different parts of the Maharashtra. Now, rivers like Godavari, Krishna, then Tapi, Narmada, Bhima, Sina, Vaitarna, Savitri are the rivers that flows in the Maharashtra. It rains heavily in the western and the eastern part of Maharashtra. It rains moderately in the central part of Maharashtra. The area of the low rainfall is to the east of the Sahyadri mountain.